Hello everyone, it's Birendra, your chemistry teacher, and today I am in front of you with a new topic of class 9 to 12 chemistry. That is very important. The easiest way to remember mass and atomic number of elements. How we can learn atomic number and atomic masses of different elements. Okay. So first of all, we will see how we can learn atomic numbers. So from group, if you are starting from group 1, so this is group 1, group 1. So for group 1, I have already, in my previous video, I have already told you how you can learn the name of the elements. So in the same sequence, I'll speak the sentence and then I will write the name of the elements. So for group 1, I have made one sentence. He, li, ना की रब से फरियाद. So you can see easily we are writing here. Okay. Now for atomic number. How we will learn the atomic number? So atomic number for hydrogen, because it is in group 1, so we will write here 1. For lithium, we will add 2. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. And for sodium, in 3 we will add 8. For potassium, we will, in 11 we will add 8. So this is 19. And in rubidium, we will add 18. Okay, so this will be 37. For cesium, this is cesium, we will add again 18. So this will be 55, and for francium we will add 32. So this will be this way. So here we can see this is period 1, this is period 2, this is period 3, this is period 4, period 5, period 6 and period 7. Okay. Now how to learn their atomic mass. Now see for atomic mass. This atomic mass is only from 1 to 20. First we will take only those elements which are having, this is only for atomic number 1 to 20, for 1 to 20. So here we are getting hydrogen, lithium and sodium and potassium. Okay. So how we will learn their atomic mass? Up to here I am doing. Now see here, for atomic mass, here I have written the few rules. So if atomic number is even, then we have to multiply atomic number by 2. And if atomic number is odd, then we have to multiply atomic number by 2 and add 1. So see here, this is hydrogen is having atomic number odd. So this means this will be, no, for here I have written some exceptional cases also. Okay. So hydrogen, in this case, this is exceptional case. This is exceptional case. Okay. So this, we can say this is exceptional. So this you have to learn. This does not come in this trick. Now for lithium. Lithium is having 3 and this is odd. So what we will do? We will, now see here, this is the rule, atomic number multiplied by 2. So this is atomic number 3 multiplied by 2 and add 1. So 3 to just 6 and plus 1, 7. This is the atomic mass of lithium. For sodium, this is also odd. So what we will do? 11 multiplied by 2 plus 1. So this is 23. Similarly for potassium, this is odd. So again we will do 19 multiplied by 2 and plus 1. So 19 to the 38 and 1 39. So in this way, group 1, you can learn their atomic, you can learn the name of the elements, Heli, Naki, Rab se Faryad. This is atomic number for group, for period 1, for period 2, we have to add just 2. For period 3, we have to add 8. For 4th, we have to add 8. And for 5 and 6, we have to add 18. And from group 7th, we have to add 32. And this is atomic mass. Now coming to group 2nd. Now see. Way is same, but we can do. Now group 2nd. Okay. Now for group 2nd, we have already one sentence. Beta मांगे कार स्कूटर बाप राजी. Okay, beta मांगे कार स्कूटर बाप राजी. So in the same way, now we will write their atomic number. So how we will write the atomic number? Beryllium, this will be, this is 2. Okay, this is group 2, so this is 2. For magnesium, this is 2 plus 8. Wait. For beryllium, okay, for beryllium we have to add 2. So this will be 4. For magnesium, this is 4 plus 8. For calcium, again we have to add 8. So this is 20. For strontium, 20 we have to add now 18. So this is 38. For barium, in 38 we have to add again 18. And for radium, 56 we have to add 32. So just keep in mind. Okay. First we have to add 2, then 8, 8. Here we have to add 2, then this is 8, 8, 18, 18 and 32. This is the sequence. Okay. So this will come 88. Now how to find their atomic mass? Up to 20 means up to here we can find. There is no exceptional case here. So beryllium, because this is E1, so we will have to multiply 4 into 2. This is 8. This atomic mass is coming not in decimal. Okay. So whenever we use such type of atomic mass for calculation, we take these values. Okay. In the book you can find there will be some decimal places also. So this is not coming exact, because we are taking them in whole figure, whole numbers. Okay. So this will be 12. So 12 into 2. This is equal to 24. And calcium, this is 20. So 20 into 2, this is 40. So this is group 2. Now coming to group 3. So group 3, first we will take group 13. Okay. So group 13 is, now here the name of the vegetables we have to learn. Okay. So this is bangan, aloo, gajar in thali. Okay. So this is the name of symbol of the elements. Now their atomic number. This is atomic number. First we have to find. Okay. So boron. Now we are coming to boron. So what we will do here? We will add, this is in 3 we will add 2. Okay, this is third group. So we will take 3 and we will add 2. This is group number and this is 2 we have to add. And same way, this is 5, we will add 8. Here again we will add 8, so 13 plus 8. Now here there is a little bit change. Here we have to add 2, here we have to add 8, but here we have to add 18. 18 and here we have to add 32. Okay, so this will be 13 plus 18. Remember here, we don't have to add 8 twice after 13, group 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18, up to 18. Okay, because in the mid here transition elements are also coming. So this will be 31. So this will be 31 plus 18, 49, and this will be 49 plus 32, 81. So this is group 13 elements. Now coming to group 4th elements. Now see atomic mass also. Mass is same way. How we can find mass? Now see here. This is odd, this is also odd. So the mass of, atomic mass of boron will be, we have to multiply it by 2. Okay, and add 1. So this is 5 multiplied by 2 plus 1. And for this also 13 multiplied by 2 plus 1. Okay, for rest this formula does not apply. Now coming to group 14. Now see in group 14. Now group 14 elements. Okay, group 14, same sentence. कहे सीता जी सुनो प्रभु. कहे सीता जी सुनो प्रभु. Carbon, silicon, beryllium, tin and lead. Okay, same way. We have to add here 2, here we have to add 8, here we have to add 18, 18 and 32. So how we will find the atomic number? This is group 14. So in 4 we will take group number and add 2. For silicon 6 we will take and then we will add 8. For beryllium we will take 14 and add 18. For tin we will take 32 and add 18. And similarly for lead we will take 50 and add 30. Okay, and for atomic mass. Now atomic mass, this is even. Here, so we will apply even rules. We just have to multiply. So this is 6 multiplied by 2 is equal to 12. For silicon, this is 14 multiplied by 2 is equal to 28. Okay. So remember, exceptional case is for this: hydrogen, beryllium, nitrogen and argon. These are the exceptional case that we can't apply. Okay. Now coming to next group, that is 15 group. Okay. Now coming to group 15. So for group 15, how to write? Same way. We have to use Nana, Patekar, Asrani, Sab, Bhima. Okay, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. So atomic number, this is group 15 element. So 5 we have to add 2. So this 2 here 8, 18, 18 and 32. So this is 7. This will be 7 plus 8, 15. This is 15 plus 18, 33, and this is 33 plus 18, 51, and this is 51 plus 32, 83. So atomic mass same way. Now we can see here, this is odd. So this is 7 into 2 plus 1. For nitrogen, now see here, for nitrogen is the exceptional case, so this will not apply here. This is exceptional case. This is exceptional case. So this will not apply here. Okay, so we will do this 15 multiplied by 2 plus 1. So this is group 15. Now same way, if we take group 16 now. Now I am taking group 16. So same way. Now see group 16. Group 16, we can use the line. What is the line for group 16? Is old style say TO. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polybdenum. Polonium. Okay, so atomic number, because this is group 16, so in 6 we will add 2. Here 8 we will add 8. And here for 16 we will add 18. And here for 34 we will add 18 again. And for polonium 52 we will again add 32. And same way for atomic mass, this is even. So the atomic mass of oxygen will be 8 multiplied by 2. And for sulfur, this is also not exceptional case. So 16 multiplied by 2. Now coming to group 17. So now see, for group 17, method is same. Okay. Now for group 17, what we will do? This is group 17. Okay. So how to write the name of the symbol of the elements? Okay. फिर कल बाहर आएगा ऑटो. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. Okay. Now atomic number, because this is 7. So in 7 we will add 2. For chlorine, this is 9. So we will add 8. For bromine, 17 we will add 18. And for iodine, in 35 we will add again 18. And for astatine, in 53 we will add 32. And for atomic mass, there is no exceptional case. So this 9, because this is odd. So 9 multiplied by 2 plus 1. And for chlorine, this is 17 multiplied by 2 plus 1. So this is coming 35, though it is 35.5. So I have already made it clear to you that these atomic masses are not coming in the decimal. But we can use these value for your calculations. So this way, this is group 17. Now coming to group 18. Now group 18, we can write the name first. So this is sentence Hina, Nina or Katrina Hina, Nina or Katrina, X-ray, Rangi. Okay. So atomic number, because this is group 18. So here in 8 we will add 2. Sorry, this is for this is also exceptional case. So its atomic number we know is 2 plus 2, 4. Okay. And no, sorry, this is okay. So as it was in the case of hydrogen, in the same way, here we don't have to add anyone. Okay. As in the case of hydrogen, in 1 we added 0. So the atomic number was coming 1. So similarly for helium, in 2 we have to add 0. So it will come 2. Okay. But for neon, we will add 8. For argon, we have to add 18. So in this case, the sequence will be a little bit different. Okay. So first we have to add 8, then we have to add 18, again 8, then 18, then 18 and then 32, as the case was in group first and second. So this is 10 plus 8 is 18, and this for krypton 18 plus 18 is 36, and for xenon 36 plus 18, 54, and for radon 54 plus 32, 86. Okay. Now how to find their atomic mass, because this is even number. So for helium, 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. Okay. For neon, it is 10 multiplied by 2 is equal to 20, and for 18 multiplied by 2 is equal to 36. So this was how to find atomic number and atomic mass of group 1 to group 18. Now one more that we can do easily in this trick way, that is of period, of third period. Okay. Now for third period, now we are talking about third period elements. Okay. So for third period, first of all we will write the names. So how we can write the names? Names we know: science teacher, Winnie, Kumari, Madam, Fabi, Cole, Nahi, Chutega, Jana. Okay, this is the names. Okay. Now their atomic numbers are very simple. Okay. We know the atomic number of this is 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. But how to find their atomic mass? Okay. So this is atomic number, and now to find the mass number. So how we will find the mass? For mass we have to learn one sequence. Okay, I have written here sequence. This sequence is only for atomic number 21 to 30. Okay. So this sequence, what we have to do in atomic number, we have to, if it is 21 means this is odd number. So we will have to multiply atomic number by 3. This is the sequence. Okay. For this we have to take the number 3. This is for 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 3, 5 and 5. Now see here how to learn it. This is very simple. This is 3. This is 3, 45, 45, 45 and again 3. And then it is 5, 5 or 55 we can learn. Okay. So these are the sequence. In this way we can add. So what we will do for this, 21 multiplied by 3. Sorry, 21. Now this is, we have to take here. Now you can see odd number. This is odd number. Okay. So what we will do here, in this case, this is, and if you want to learn this, okay, first thing, how to learn the atomic number. Okay. For this atomic number, nothing we have to do. In 18, we have to add group number. So this is group 3, this is group 4, this is group 5, group 6, group 7, group 8, group 9, group 10, group 11 and group 12. So what we have to do for the atomic number, this is for atomic number. Okay. In 18 we have to add 3. This is 18 plus 4. This is 18 plus 5, means group number you have to add here. Okay, in 18. And this is similarly 18 plus 6, 18 plus 7, 18 plus 8, 18 plus 9, 18 plus 10, 18 plus 11 and 18 plus 12. So this will in this way you can get the atomic number. So how to get their mass number? Okay. Now for mass. This is the sequence I have given you. Okay. So now see here, this is atomic mass. For scandium, what we will do, this is, we have to multiply by 2. So 21, this is odd number, so 21 multiplied by 2 and plus 3. So this will come 45. Okay. For this is 22. So again 22 multiplied by 2 plus 4. This will come for titanium. I can write it in this way also. So this will become easy for you to understand. This way I am writing. This is science teacher Vinita Kumari Madam Fevicol नहीं छूटेगा जनाब. Okay. So atomic number, and then this is mass number. Now see atomic number. Atomic number 18 plus 3, 18 plus 4, in this way, 18 plus 5. So this will come 21, 22, 23. This is group number you have to add. In 18 we have to add group number. This is B. Okay, so this is 23, 24, this is 25, this is 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. Okay. So mass. Or now we will find the mass. This is 21. Now the sequence that you have to learn. Okay. Here I am writing. For in this you have to add 3. This 45, 45, 45, 3 and 5, 5. Okay. So this will be 21, multiplied by 2 plus 3. This will be 22 multiplied by 3 plus 4. This will be 23 multiplied by, sorry, we have to multiply by 2 only, okay. 23 multiplied by 2 plus 5. This will be 23 multiplied by 24 multiplied by 2 plus 4, 5. Then first you can write it in this way also, okay. 21, 22, 23, 24, this is 25 plus 2, this is 26 multiplied by 2, this is 27 multiplied by 2, 28 multiplied by 2, 29 multiplied by 2 and 30 multiplied by 2. Now what we have to add here? First we have to add 3, 4, 45, then again 45, then again 45, then we have to add 3 and then we have to add 5 and then we have to add 5. So in this way we will get the atomic masses of third period. This is third period elements, for third period elements. Okay, after calculating we will get these values. This will come 45, 48, 51, 52, 55, 56, 65. So in this way, in this video you have seen that it is very easy to learn the atomic number and atomic masses of different elements. Thank you.